Hello everybody, Talgo Trains Spotter 1999 here, and welcome back to another good station of Salou, which is situated on the Mediterranean corridor. There is the 1158, giving me a good one tone there, mainly because of the level crossing like, but it's 448021. Heading to Barcelona Estación de France. So today here at Salou, you'll be seeing services only by Renfe, including their regional express services, which you've just seen one there. That was regional express service 15058. That is from Tortosa to Barcelona Estación de France. So that's what you'll see. There's a service that's terminated in from La Boc, and you should see a few Talgos and Euromed services passing by and stopping. So, you know, this station's a lovely station. I like this station a lot. You've obviously got the level crossing down there, which is very, very busy indeed. And this station itself, well, this section of the line is one track for most of the way. This station is a really nice station to visit, actually. It's really compact, small, and it serves whatever really that you want here. That's the good thing about it. But anyway, enough of me blabbering. Let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Salou. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so just arrived in there was 252062 and a set of Talgo carriages. This will be forming the 1206 Talgo 1111 service from Barcelona Sants to Alicante. This will be the semi-fast service that normally is used by a Euromed service, the ultra-fast service. It goes Barcelona, Tarragona, Castellón, Valencia and Alicante. This is doing a few extra stops. This is doing like Salou, Alda and Posta, I think it is. It's a station that some Euromeds use, but not all of them. So, that is that. It's running 5 minutes late, no surprise there, due to probably the Barcelona train being late and it had to loop around Portaventura train station. I should be ready to depart very shortly indeed. Okay, ready to get going now is 252062 with the 1206 Renfe Talgo 1111 service to Alicante from Barcelona Sants. Should be leaving in a few minutes as the doors have just shut, and there we go. Now, as you've noticed, I am using a tripod. Well, it's a little tiggy little thing. Not too fancy. It's quite small actually. And there's a generator car on its way. Meh. It's an alright picture, I guess. So the next station stop of that will be Alder Amposta, I'm sure it'll be. It's either that or it'll be Cambrils, which is only 4 minutes down the line. And really isn't worth the money to pay 12 quid to go on one of them when you could pay £2 on a regional express train for a 4-minute journey. So, you know, I mean, if you want to go ahead, I'm not going to stop you, but you're just wasting $8 good euros on something which really isn't worth it. Okay, pulling in on the other line is a 447, if my eyes don't mistake me. I think it is, yeah. As you can see, I'm on quite a low tripod here because I'm getting the camera set up. I don't know what the hell that's doing, but that is going on platform 2. Which, to be honest, I've never really seen a train go on there. This is actually the first time it's ever happened. It's a lot better than the last time I came here, where I sort of predicted what everything was going to do and what everything actually did happened. Damn it, I can't get it in shot. That must be an ECS or something or other. Can't imagine it being anything else, really. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1217 with a nice couple of tones there. The 1217 Regional Express 18251 from Barcelona Estación de Francia to Tortosa. Could be formed of a double 449. 449 front, 14 at the front. And 4490 40 on the rear. So there you go. Now I'm going to see if I can get all of these in a line. It's going to be unlikely, but you know. How's that? That came out okay. Sorry, I'm just taking photos, so there, that'll do. Okay, leaving now is 449, 014 and 040 with the 1218 Renfe Regional Express, if I can remember it right. 18251 with a nice couple of tones because of the level crossing. Nothing else, not me tone wanking, because there'd have to be one up there. So there, that goes into the distance. Looking all good as ever. And obviously there's all the trains that are now stabled there. So that's all cool. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, after that woman's just pretty much nearly killed herself by running in front of a train, what a silly person you are. There goes a empty stock 446, I'm gonna guess. 447010. Bloody Nora. I don't know if that's actually pointing at the train. Let me just check one minute. It'll have done, I guess. So I don't know where the hell that's off to. It might be going somewhere else, forming another service somewhere to somewhere. Yeah, it never came up on the timetable, so I don't know. Okay, ready to depart now is going to be a 448 bound for Lubbock. Or Les Havres. Now it's good using a tripod, I'm going to admit, because every time they blow the horn, you don't have to experience camera shake. Because I always get frightened, I just have. So that's a regional express service from here to Lubbock. I don't know the head code of it, in all honesty, because it doesn't show up very well. No wonder they have to bloody sound the horn about 600 times. It's a horrible level crossing, that is. You could make them crappy misuse videos that everyone seems to make and start saying massive, and then they start screaming so much that it's misuse when we all know it's misuse. We all know it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you could make the ultimate misuse video right there. Like, because I was there a couple of days ago and what's the word? Literally the train was about 10 metres in front of them and some guy on a bike decided, oh, let's just cross the line. Okay, about to pull in now is going to be the 12:28, another delayed service, 12:28. Talgo 1102 from Murcia del Carmen to Barcelona Sands. Another blow the horn there. This is arriving in about 10 minutes late. Yep, 10 minutes late exactly, as it's just coming in behind the crowd of people. As maybe you can see, I don't know if you can really see that, but if you can, you can, you can't. Oh well, who cares? It's nearly Christmas, I guess. Right, let's fire up the camera and see how much we got happening here. Okay, so there it is, 252050 with a distance single rake of Talgo carriages. So, how cool is that? Okay, so the brakes have just been released on 252050, I think. And that is ready to go with the slightly late 10, well, when I say slightly late, 12 minutes late, 12:28 Talgo 1102, service from Murcia del Carmen to Barcelona Sands. This will have departed Murcia del Carmen at 6:30 in the morning. And also there's a generator, which generates, as we all know, electricity. But a generator to probably do that. The set of the Talgo, like let's say, I think, I don't know what it is actually. Well, there that goes. The next stop of that service will be Tarragona in approximately 10-20 minutes time. God, it's warm out here. Okay, down in the distance now is going to be a passing Renfe Euromed service. It's Euromed 1112 bound for Barcelona Estación de Francés from Alicante terminal via Valencia and Castellón. Next stop will be Tarragona and proceeding up to Sanz. Then I think that's coming at some speed, I'm not going to lie, so that's last time in the Salou video. I remember it stopping here. That doesn't happen. Okay, arriving in extremely early for the first ever time in their entire lives. Well done to them. Is going to be another Renfe Talgo service. 252052 again. Going to be a double set of Talgos. This is going to be the final train of this video. So yeah, this is the 1312 Talgo service. It's 463 from Barcelona Sants to Lorca Sutulna, if I'm not mistaken. That seems right enough anyway. This is, I think, the longest route out of them all, compared to all Talgo services that they do around here. Okay, I think Lorca is the one that is the least south, but I know there's a service that's early in the morning which goes to Seville, so I'm not too sure in 100% honesty. Okay then, departing very, very, very early is the 1312 Renfe Talgo 463 from Barcelona Sants to Lorca Sultana. Wait, Sutulna. There you go, Sutulna. That seems right. I'd say this is the final train of this video, so yeah. Wonder why it's departing very early is something I want to know. And there's a generator right behind me. Oh, let me just take a few snaps of them. Oh, they'll come out alright. So, as that goes on its way to its next stop of Cambrils, I shall conclude my Salou video there. So, thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, always feel free to like and subscribe. It's your choice. I don't really give one, to be honest. Any comments, questions, anything about the channel, anything like that, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to it as soon as I possibly can. So, as Salou's a really nice station to do on the when I come on holiday, because this is basically my holiday location for the year. Don't go anywhere else, it's always here, because, well, I can't really think of a better place to go, to be honest. But as I say, Salou's always a great station, especially the ECS 447, a nice little bit of a mix in there. Also the passing S130, the double 130 actually, was absolutely hellfire, I'm not going to lie. My next station is actually going to be Cambrils. Just up the line, about 5 minutes away from here. Well, Cambrils are pretty much the same as this station, I'm not going to lie. You just don't get the terminating stuff. And there's another train ready. Should we record this? Yeah, I think we should record this. Alright, so we'll wait until that goes and I'll just cut it off from here. So I'll probably do that video with no commentary actually, because so what I'll do is I'll end it here, I'll end my commentary, and then I'll just record it while I take a few snaps of it.
Atenció, atenció. El proper tren no s'atura en aquesta estació per via 1. Els agrairem que no s'apropin a la via. Atención, atención.
I don't know.
Tren sin parada por via 1.
I think there's a passing train. Yep, it's a passing train. Non-stop train at platform 1. East Tango Clerk on the edge of the platform. So, we'll see that passing by. I don't know which way it's coming from. I think it might be that way, but it might be that way. I don't know. Who knows? No one. But anyway, we'll lay this down and I'll just conclude it when I've finished. I don't know which way it's coming from though, so bear with me. So that's why I'm pointing it that way, because well, why not? Actually, if we can, I'll try and move it back to location 1. There we go. Can't see any train in sight, so don't ask me what it is. It might be a freight train actually. That'll be a really good end to this video. I'm just trying to put my hopes up here, but I bet it's just a normal S130. I mean, don't get me wrong, an S130 doesn't bother me if you don't know what one of them are. It's the quick trains that pass through. I think it's an S130. Oh no, it's a freight train, so let's mount that down and let's get a good shot of this. How good's that for an end of the video, eh? So it's a 253 with a nice couple of horns being produced. (253 Arrows 066). So anyway, as I say, my next station is going to be Cambrils. So yes, from me here at Salou, I shall see you all next time in Cambrils. Take care and goodbye.